I've not even skipped one class. Like every day I keep a timer, and every day at 8:25 I log in, and then I'm like, when are these going to start? I'm so excited. I'm like that every day. So I feel very good and happy attending the classes, and it gives me great sleep. And one more thing, before classes I used to fight often with my sister, but now I don't even fight with her.
Oh, why is that? How is that possible?
Krishna always stops me when I'm about to go and like this.
I really love these classes. Like I've been coming from the first thing, I guess. What was it?
It was India's Gift to the World. Last year we had
India's Gift to the World. I've been coming from that, and I really love these classes. Like when you tell about the gods and the epics. Even my dad is like, yeah, you should go attend these classes because you learn good moral values and our culture from these classes. And from Shubhratri especially, when we finish with the story and meditation, I'm like ready to drop down and fall asleep. I get so sleepy. And the thing about these classes I like is it's very interactive. You give everybody a chance, and the quizzes and the games are also very fun. So I really love being in these classes.
Wonderful.
Namaste Anna. So I've been attending this Shubhratri classes recently. So before me, my sister was attending Discover Bharat class, Harini. So then I asked my sister how the classes were.
Okay.
First, I also thought of attending these classes, but I thought it would be too young for me because all of these students are younger than me. Then I chose to give it a try because I love listening and telling stories. So now I've been enjoying the stories a lot, the quizzes, the stories, and it's really very fun, especially the breathing exercises and the meditation we do. So it like prepares us for sleep, and then we have a calm sleep.
Every class I would come. Only 1 or 2 classes I missed. Even online classes, I really love all the classes. Every subject, like some classes are about epics and all, and these Shubhratri classes are very different.
Very different? How different?
Like they are in the night and they prepare us for sleeping.
Yeah, it's so unique and new, no?
Yeah. That's why when I first saw the poster also, I was surprised about it. Very happy that I came to this class.
Oh, very nice. I am happy that you came.
He came in the Vedic one class. I thought I wanted to attend by myself and all, but after he came also it's more fun.
I like these stories especially, and the breathing exercise helps me to calm down a little.
How about you, Shankar?
It is very fun for me to do the quiz and every breathing exercise. It is very fun since the first day we met this class.
Quiz and stories which you are tasting, I am able to understand the stories, and I am doing all the tasks which you are giving.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I could sleep very happily and calm.
Good. That's so nice. That is the whole point of Shubhratri, no? The name of the workshop itself is Shubhratri. So you should have a good night. Correct? And that is why we meet every night before sleep. So wonderful. Let's give a silent clap to Sahana.
I like the classes because from a very long time I've been getting bad dreams, and this class has helped me stop bad dreams. Although I have got bad dreams which have been inevitable, it's become better now.
Oh, that's great. Wonderful.
And it has helped also a lot. I've been very anxious sometimes, so it's helped. And I've never heard stories like this when I was smaller.
Okay.
So it is a nice experience for me. Like how Aishwarya said, even I thought it would be too young for me, but it's never too late to start listening.
That's wonderful.
Because I might be one of the oldest here. I don't know.
I know, and I'm very proud and very happy, glad that you are coming. You know, a lot of them would feel, all of them are so young. Why should I even?
But just listening to it has made me feel like I should come.